Aveeno, Com Plus Restore for Sensitive Skin, Triple Oat Serum, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Dermatologist Recommended Com Plus Restore for Sensitive Skin Fragrance-Free Instantly Smooths Skin Plus Fortifies Moisture Barrier Prebiotic Oat Calming Feverfew Registered. This formula is paraben-free, alcohol-free, dye-free, phthalate-free, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, tested on sensitive skin, dermatologist recommended for over 65 years. Aveeno Com Plus Restoring Triple Oat Serum instantly smooths plus fortifies skin's moisture barrier for healthier looking skin. Triple Oat Complex, oat flour extract and oil. Smooths and nourishes skin. Feverfew. Calms skin. Lightweight texture, absorbs easily. Skin feels hydrated after just one use. 92% agreed skin felt instantly smooth. Suggested use. Pump once before use to clear dropper, apply 3 to 4 drops onto hand, massage gently onto face. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, butylene glycol, bisphosphate methyl ether dimethylsilane, isodecyl neopentanoate, pentrithyl-tetrethylhexanoate, ethylxylglycerin, phenoxyethanol, ammonium microyl dimethyltaurate, VP-copolymer, chlorphenesin, dimethicone, cycloglycan, chrysanthemum parthenium, feverfew, flower/leaf/stem juice, Avena sativa, oat, kernel flour, Avena sativa, oat, kernel oil, acrylate/C1030 alkyl acrylate cross-polymer, dimethicanol, sodium hydroxide, Avena sativa, oat, kernel extract. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.